Okay. All right, you strategize. All right, again, I want to recap real quick. All right, remember with 0 workers, we had a total output of 0. With 1, we added 1 worker. We had a total output of 3 for a marginal output of 3. 2 workers, we had a total output of 6 for a marginal output of 3. So we're still increasing our total output, and we still have a higher marginal output than when we started the last time. Now we've got 3 workers. We're going to see if we can continue our rise in production. Get ready. Get set. Come on, man.
I can't do nothing till she pick it up out the hand.
I am supposed to talk. What do you think I'm looking for?
She is the quality control inspector, and they talk all they want. 4, 3, 2, 1.
We got 8.
Who, me?
6, 7, 8.
Oh, man. When I gotta come up, you be doing that.
Quiet. 9. What is our marginal output?
3.
3, because of the difference between 9 and 6 makes 3.
I don't think that's gonna be able to make sense.
The more the work on the
All right, hire an additional worker.
Come on, Bonnie, come on, let's be some workers.
We're working, girls, now.
Uh-oh, what do?
Oh, God.
When more and more units of a variable resource, such as labor, are added, okay? So we added workers, we added labor, right? That's our variable resource. That's the thing we changed. When more and more units of a variable resource, such as labor, are added to a fixed resource, which was our capital, okay? Our knives and our plates and our peanut butter and our marshmallows. Eventually, the additional or marginal output associated with the variable resource declines, okay? Basically, you're going to wind up, you're adding the value of adding that additional worker, because remember that worker costs money, all right? Eventually, the value of that additional worker is not going to pay for itself anymore. Did you make more in round 4 than round 3?
Yes.
Yes, your total output was still more, but you still have to pay for that extra worker, and you would expect to eat. Really, what we want to do was keep it, maybe increase our marginal output to 4. If we're not increasing our marginal output to 4, then we don't need to be hiring an additional worker. If the best we can do is 3, then we only need to be hiring 3 people.
Hey, we made 29.
Okay? All right. So again, it gets to the point to where adding that additional resource does not equate to additional output. All right, or additional marginal output.
I get 5 on bag.
Oh, okay, we made.
Okay? What was our fixed resource?
The peanut butter and parsley.
Our capital was fixed, right?
I meant
All right.
pudding. I meant parsley.
What else was fixed?
The time that we had.
I only gave you a minute, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So if I had maybe increased, like maybe had another setup somewhere else in the room,
And added 3 additional workers.
and added 3 additional workers over there.
Extra.
If I could have had 2 people. We had 4 workers, right?
Assembly line.
All right. I could have had 2 people working here with all the capital I had, and then 2 people working over here with all the capital I had, and you guys theoretically could have at least hit 12. With practice, you guys probably would have gotten more. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So, but if I do not change my other resources, all I'm doing is adding workers, then I'm just piling people on top of.
You're losing money.
Yeah, I'm losing money, exactly, because it's all about the
The
profit.
The profit.
Okay.
I never wanted like that.
And for your exit ticket.
Yeah. Oh.
So, can you explain how the lesson we did today is an example of the law of diminishing marginal returns?
Yeah.
Write that on your paper. On the back of your paper is fine. Make sure your name's on it. Make sure you turn it in. And we have 1, 2, 3.